There we have a 6-inch by 12-inch bench surface grinder. It's unused. It's in really good condition. We checked all the mechanical functions. Everything operates very nicely on here. Your cross slide, your longitudinal feed. I'm going to fire it up for you just to show you that it does operate. So what happens here, sometimes the motor works and sometimes it doesn't. If you just kind of turn it like that, manually, the machine will turn on fine. And we had it running for about 15 minutes prior to this video. The motor doesn't get hot, doesn't overheat or anything like that. It may be a capacitor or it could be one of the windings. We're not quite sure. In any case, let's just stop it. Now while the wheel is turning, you can turn it back on. And you hear the contacts click off. So it came to a complete stop when you go to turn it on. Now sometimes it'll turn on and sometimes it will not turn on. Like I said, it may be a start capacitor, we're not quite sure. In any case, again, it's in really good condition. 3/4 horsepower, 115 volt, and it includes a toolbox with some tools and your owner's manual. There's a couple little paint scuffs on it right here in the front. That's a little paint chip, and then there's a little bit on the back there. Strictly cosmetic. And we thank you for looking at our product.